Hi guys, morning. This is the first time we've picked up the camera since yesterday. And we're here at, Chris, what's this called? No, this is not called the shack. What's this called?
Gourmet seafood.
Gourmet seafood, yeah, that's right. Gourmet seafood here in Apia. And I've got Chrissy, Molly, Lisse, and Ossi. We came to Apia to run some errands, and yeah, we're kind of hungry now, so we're gonna eat some food. Oh my god! But it's pretty busy. We picked up shirts. The shirts look amazing. I should go and get them. Oh yeah, the shirts that we got for the siblings look amazing.
I like the seafood.
And Chris.
Yeah, it's some food.
It's been such a busy day, guys. Everyone has just been on the go, go, go. We've had heaps of cities come. Leos. Alfabeses. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. I've gone so dark since the couple of days that I've been here. And it is so hot, honestly. I'm just in no mood. I need to go to the bathroom. And I'm just so hot and dehydrated. And I can't find Ossi. I can't find him. Anyways, we're about to go back to Apia and go and pick up some things. So we're going with my little cousin and nephew, Eddie. Oh. Hi, kids! Oh my god, guys, everyone hates being in my vlogs. Why?
Oh my god.
Oh, can I have some? Guys, I just wanted to...
one out.
Is this number 6? Yeah. I just wanted to show you the outcome of our shirts that we got done for my grandma. That's my beautiful grandma. I'm actually in this photo, but they had to cut me out, obviously. And these are for all the siblings. All the siblings have purple shirts, and they've all got the number of what they are, like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12. And this is my dad's. Do you like? Other shirts for the kids, for my grandma. And at the back it has her first name on it. How beautiful.
ai le ai se tasi e pito ya te ia e pe
e whaasiri ai o nā whai o tasi.
That's recording.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys.
Ew, what are those mean?
Thank you.
Can you see? Okay, stop.
So what would you do if you were vlogging?
You just try if I had my own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm interested in it, but you know, it's a bit.
Okay. What's up guys? It's your girl Molly. And so we're back with another video here in Samoa, and it's so hot.
And the
Like,
weather's disgusting.
So hot. And the weather is just so hot. In the airport, checking in with the earth. So we finished my grandmother's family service, and it was just so sad, but we got to hear everybody's testimonies. After that we ate, and today's Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so we've got church, I think. And Aussie's at home. He's actually chilling out with my cousins and my uncles. And yeah, it's been a bit all over the place. We haven't been very consistent with filming. We pick up the camera like once a day, because we've just been so busy. We've been on the go like non-stop, and last night we didn't sleep until like 4 AM. Like every night is just sleepless nights, and we have to get up really early. But last night we went to sleep at 4 AM and I just fell asleep sitting up on the chair. And I was woken up by my auntie. But I'm so tired. We don't really have anywhere to sleep. We're just sleeping wherever we can at the moment. And
letting you know, I am. It's very sunny, as you can see. The more leaves are very shiny. So my
do your thing. Do your thing like you did before. Do it, baby. Do it, baby.
No.
Do it. Come on.
No, turn around.
Yeah, we don't really have anywhere to sleep. We've been sleeping somewhere different every single night. Just now.
Can we take a video? No.
Did you already pay your spasa, sir? Pasta, do you want me to take that off? Hi, Ossie.
My life is not.
Oh, stand up.
My life.
Hey.
My life is cheap. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So early. We got something called a job. If you haven't heard of it before.
What smells that?
Your toilet probs.
Go to there.
Oh, he had to go up gone. To soup or whatever, the more. Showtime. We just finished church, guys.
Can I hold Evan? I want to be in the blank. I'll be going that way. Hi guys. My shoulders look like Molly's apparently. Is that right? No, give mine.
Are you aware?
What's this smell?
And now it's raining. Chris, where's our car? Huh? She said take him inside. I can't carry him. He's too heavy for me. Guys, they just killed a cow. This is from my brother-in-law, my sister's partner. This is his gift offering to the family. I say on the Lord, wait, I say on the Lord is my strength. The battery of my camera just died, so I'm filming off my phone. We're just trying to get a song to sing for my grandmother's burial tomorrow. So I'm practicing with my cousins. Did you see him? He was so cute.
If you make your own way tomorrow, they will think, wow. Wow.
Wow!
Here's Ossie. Ossie's been slaying all day.
I think that song that we sang though.
Say hello to them.
I think it was that one, Sia.
Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
Are you tired? Epa ia vesili siliese.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like this, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,